Hey guys, it's Jason here with another trading video. Today I'm going to be doing this video on ticker symbol Btbt. I got in on the long side today on this trade, and I was just looking for a continuation higher. This is the daily chart like I always start. I was looking for, let's go to the 5 minute. This is the 5 minute. You see how yesterday it broke above this pivotal spot right here and it just spiked straight up for about 10%. I was looking for a similar move today right here. This is yesterday. Stayed above VWAP. It broke above this level and it spiked about 10%. I was looking for something similar. I was looking for a break above this level right here. It broke above that level and got slammed back down. I'll show you here on the 1 minute chart. It got slammed hard. This is the candle that I got in on. The break of this, I got in at $12.89. That was my buy stop order. I got filled at $12.91. It triggered right above this spot on this candle right here, and it got slammed back down immediately. I got out of the trade less than a minute for a $21 loss on 300 shares. If it would have committed and gone through, it would have went straight up, but instead it got slammed down, so there wasn't any buyer stepping in, so I immediately got out of the trade. If you look what it did yesterday, it broke above this level and it stayed above this level, and it didn't get slammed back down at all. So you want to see what the stock has done at key pivotal points in the past and see if it repeats that. And if it's not repeating that, you want to get out of it immediately. That's what I did on that, and you know it was it showed it didn't really have any follow through. I mean, I could have stuck with it, held it a little bit longer, but it would have just gotten slammed down. If it didn't show follow through initially, it's probably not going to work out. So yeah, I could have looked for a break of the daily high, which had been $12.96, but I was looking instead for a break above this high, $12.88. I was worried that all the buy stop orders triggering above $12.88 would have flushed past my initial entry of $12.96, and I would have gotten too much slippage and a bad fill. So I changed my order to $12.89. It triggered. It didn't hit $12.96 like I initially wanted, but whatever. It didn't work out. I think is 0.5% loss on this trade, and the similar trade yesterday was a gain of about 10%. So I risked about 0.5% to make roughly about 10%. You're not going to have the greatest odds on something like that because the risk to reward is just so different. You're not going to hit very often, but when you hit, you should hit big. But yeah, $21 loss on this trade. Not a big deal. From now on, I'm just looking at trades to where I know I can make at least 10% or not. I was actually initially looking at the top gainers for today, and I was looking at BYSI. This stock right here, if you look at the daily, I'm going to show you the kind of stocks I'm looking at. These stocks that are going to new highs. Today's high was a new high of $33 even. I was actually looking for a break of that new all-time high. I was actually looking at this area right here. I wanted to follow through and break above $33. This curve up, but instead it ended up failing and fading off. Another one I was looking at, let's see, RDHL. I believe that's at all-time highs. I'm not sure. Let's check. Maybe it wasn't. Well, no, that's there's quite a bit of resistance there. That wouldn't have been something that I was. PXLW is the other one I was looking at. All-time highs. You know, I was looking to get in on this. I actually stopped watching it around 3 o'clock. I stopped watching it around here. I didn't think there was enough time for it to make to trigger past this point right here, this high. I didn't think there was enough time in the day. So I think it was like, I didn't think there would have been, you know, enough meat on the move to actually, you know, stay watching it. So I went outside and mowed. But yeah, I mean, this one was kind of, if you're trading this one would have been a little bit tricky because it just went up so fast. I mean, it broke this high right here, but it got slammed back down. But then it goes and re-breaks it, gets slammed back down, consolidates. Now it's moving higher in after hours. It's really weird. I don't really like getting into stocks that are just, you know, when it's breaking out, it's getting slammed down. A lot of people are trying to sell into all that buying that people are doing. They're like, that's a great opportunity to sell into that. So I don't really care for that too much. And buying the dips, I don't know. I don't have a whole lot of luck with buying dips. But, you know, it's just another stock I was looking at. But if you look at the daily's like great. It's if you, let's say, if you're watching this stock and you, on this day, you bought above this break right here. Let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah, if you're buying above this area right here, you see how it rejected it? It hits right here, slams back down. It hits there, same spot, slams back down. But then it goes and breaks it because it then bounces off support. It bounces off this old resistance area right here. This resistance area right here, old resistance, is now support. So it hit resistance, slammed down, hit support. People knew there was buyers at that support level. Then it goes and breaks that resistance level, and that's why there's follow through. But yeah, that one looked nice. That would have been a good one. Hey, it keeps going up after hours, which is great. Yeah, I lost $21 today. Not a big deal. Just got to move on. I'll hit it again Friday. See if I can make a trade, make some money. You guys take it easy. Thanks for watching.